This demonstration, we're going to look at retention tags and retention policies. The purpose of all of these things is to allow us to decide exactly what we want to do with managed content settings. So we can define, for example, the time that messages are retained and what will happen when the retention period expires. We can also associate multiple retention tags with a retention policy and then assign it to a user mailbox. So we'll go through a couple of examples in this demonstration that we can have a look at, and we're going to do all of this work through the Exchange Management Shell. So in this one here, we're going to set a new retention policy tag. The tag is going to be called default tag. The type is going to be for all. The message class will be all mailbox content. And then retention enabled, percentage true, age limit for retention is 365 days. Retention action is after 365 days. Permanent delete, yes. So we've now done this. We've set all of this up, and as we can see down here, just working down, it's given us all the settings for this policy we put in place. The next one we'll do here is we'll do retention action to move deleted items after 30 days. In this demonstration, we'll set up a new policy tag. It's going to be the inbox tag. The type is going to be for the inbox. Message class is everything. Age limit for retention is 30 days. After 30 days, we'll move all the messages from the inbox, and what we'll do is we'll move them to the deleted items folder. So we've now run this. As you can see, we're going to move everything to deleted items. The next thing we'll do here is we'll set up another policy to actually move certain items from a certain folder into the archive folder after a certain amount of time. So this one here is the new retention policy tag for business critical. Type is personal. What we're going to do here, message class is everything. Age limit for retention is going to be 1,100 days. Retention enable equals true, and then we're going to move everything to the archive folder. There you go. Let's go through that one now. Next thing we're going to do here is we're just going to set up a new retention policy tag. And what we're going to do is we're going to create this thing for business critical. Here we go, set up our retention policy. So we're taking all of these tags and all of these policies that we've set up before, create a new retention policy from them tags. The next thing we'll do is we'll actually set this on a user's mailbox. This has come through. Next thing we're going to do here is we're just going to set this on Andres's mailbox. So we're going to associate this with Andres's mailbox. We'll go to set mailbox, Andreas, retention policy, all tags policy, which we've just created before. So yes to that. Just to assign the retention policy. Next thing we need to do is just start our manage folder assistant to actually incorporate all of these policies. There we go, type in the command, start the manage folder assistant to actually apply this policy. That's now done. So what we've done here, set up our retention policies for Andreas, so he's now controlled by all of these policies that we've put in place. It's in the demonstration. Thanks very much.